The benefit of joining EC clubs is to not only be a part of something that you're passionate about, but also a really good way to meet people who you have something in common with.
It's very supportive. I feel like it's helped me build my confidence and my leadership skills.
Spotlight Drama Club is a completely student-run theater program, from the production team to directors to crew, construction, set design. It's a great way to meet a lot of the theater folk who are veterans at this point and be able to do a low-stakes production.
Girls in Harmony provides yoga sessions for any student on campus. My favorite event that Girls in Harmony has put on so far is puppy yoga.
The Hidden Opponent raises mental health awareness for student athletes and breaks the stigma in sports culture. Because reading about things and knowing that you're not alone is one thing, but actually physically being in the room talking to people.
Modern Band Project offers the opportunity for students who play music or have never played music before to get together and collaborate.
I came to learn about CAB as a first year going to the Clubs and Orgs Involvement Fair. Spring week every year has always been one of my favorite things. It's a week full of events for students, and we get to plan them, we get to attend them.
Endicott Ping Pong Club. Offer tournaments 3 times a semester. Honestly, our second tournament, and we had 36 to 40 students in Lower Callahan. As the tournament winded down, 80 people around Endicott basically were coming to watch.
During my freshman year, my roommate was in Modern Band Project, and I went to one of her concerts. Just seeing how supportive everyone was of each other, it really made me want to get involved, so I got involved.
The Maker Club offers space for students to learn how to 3D print or learn how to use 3D printers.
Our club offers a space for students to be able to relax, decompress, and reflect, and just forget about anything that's going on.
And everything they do is done with such care and have so much fun with it.
You should participate in Endicott clubs because you meet a ton of people and gain a lot of real-world experience.
Everyone is so supportive, passionate about what they do.
Endicott clubs make your experience at Endicott as awesome as it can be.
Whether you're a freshman or a senior, to try something new, it's never too late.